Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off data saving mode on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now here you will find text and media, click on it. And now here as you see you will find data saving mode here. Just click on it like this and it will be turned off. That's it, that's how to turn off data saving mode on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.